Hey everybody. Well, here I am walking around Harlan tonight, or this evening, and can you guess what time it is? Can you? Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. Yeah, almost 7. And it is this dark. This is pure BS. 7 o'clock and it almost this dark. And it's cold. Yeah, we were supposed to have 70-degree weather tomorrow, but guess what? Nope. It's not going to be 70. It's going to be in the mid-60s. And then Sunday, we were supposed to be in the mid-60s. The high is going to be 59. Yeah. I wanted to stop here first because this is historic Harlan. It's like a little museum, and it's now open. Been waiting on this for over a year. And plus, while I was out, I was going to see the Christmas decorations. So, let's see what we got. Well, they did it right. They didn't forget Turkey Day in the fall. And where's Paige? Paige is the kitty who is always in here, and I don't see her. Okay. Well, maybe she's napping somewhere else. Okay. Anyway. And I just am beginning to notice that there's not a lot of Christmas decorations out. I do feel like I have accomplished a lot today, though. I went to work this morning, and then my coworker Diana and I, we went to Walmart and we bought almost every one of the turkeys. We bought all of the cans of corn, all of the cans of green beans. We bought a ton of stuffing, a ton of mashed potatoes, you know, the box kind. And yeah, a ton of gravy mix and a ton of brown and serve rolls. So that's because where I work, we're giving away food boxes for our families, and got that done. Then after that, I took my lunch break, went and paid bills, because there's two places here in Harlan where you can't really pay them online. Well, one of them you can pay online, but it costs like $5 extra. I just don't want to waste that money, you know? So, and the water company is the next. So, went and paid my water bill, went and paid my internet bill, and I got lunch, came back, and got more decorations in the office finished, did my job, and then I came home. I rested for just a few minutes, went back, picked up away from work, ordered a pizza from Little Caesars, a piece of that, and here I am. So I feel like I've accomplished quite a bit today. But gosh, I thought there would be more Christmas decorations already than this, because it seems like everywhere is already decorating for Christmas. There's a few decorations out. The house, that's pretty. And it looks like they're starting to decorate that big old wreath. And there's some Christmas decorations. It's pretty. Well, I'm getting my steps in. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to go somewhere, do something. Get out in nature again, I guess. Yeah. Well, yeah, they've got their Santa countdown coming. Or going. Coming, going. I don't know. And up here, some more Christmas decorations. It's pretty. And yep, it's pretty. And right up here. God. Okay, this selfie stick slash tripod slash holder thing that I got at Five Below is not working for me. I hate it. This is cute though. This is very cute. Yep. I'm walking. Getting me some steps in. Even though it's cold. As they used to say back in the day, it's colder than a well digger's behind. Yep. This store, Sassy Trash, is getting their Christmas stuff ready, and I bet you right there is where the Christmas tree is going to be. But they always have great stuff in there, and they're all the time, you know, getting new stuff in. And there's their hours. They always have such neat stuff. Antiques and such. Antiques. Nothing. I was watching a YouTube channel yesterday, and you know, I cannot remember what her name is. I'm actually ashamed of that, but I'll link it below in the description. Anyway, she was talking about old sayings that Appalachian people used to have and how they talked, the dialect they used, and she some of the words that, you know, she had said rung a bell, because my grandmother used to say those same words. But something hadn't heard from her that my grandmother used to say was tedious. So if something was tedious, she would say it's tedious. I don't think she, well, from what I saw, from the videos that I saw on her channel, she didn't use the word yarn. My grandmother would say something like, "That's nasty as yarn." But yeah, that's, check her out. Like I said, I'll put her name, her channel in the description below. And I'll see you next time. I'm gonna go do my radio show in the morning, so yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.